In today's video, I'm going to show you a platform which you can be making money for yourself every day just by completing simple tasks online. The platform I want to review to you in this video is not a platform that will make you millions of money, but it is going to be helping you earning some little money for yourself every day. Those money, you can use it to do some micro things for yourself. For a lot of people who have been asking me to give them a platform where they can be doing some simple micro jobs online where they can be getting paid, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be one of the most important parts you need to watch and get everything done right. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to my channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go drive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you this new platform where you can be making some micro jobs online and you'll be getting play, and this money you can withdraw it to your local bank account, being OPay, PalmPay. In fact, any bank account you are using in Nigeria, you can withdraw this money to. Now let's get started. This is the platform. As you can see, this is the platform. Now as you can see my balance here right now. The problem why I have this money on my balance is that I don't really participate on this platform very well. I don't really participate, but looking at here, as you can see, it says 5,500 naira. That is the money I withdraw last on this platform. Now when you click on this three dot here, you are going to see perform task. This is where you are going to see tasks you are going to be performing. Now when you click on perform tasks, as you can see, available tasks, done tasks, reject tasks, daily task report. Now when I click on available tasks, you are going to see different type of tasks that if I start doing right now, I'll be making money in this platform. Now as you can see, this is TikTok page. If I click on this view, I follow this TikTok page, this is the money I'm going to make. As you can see, these are different type of tasks which I will be doing. I will be making money. As you can see, also share Facebook posts, comment on TikTok videos, comment on Facebook posts, and other things. Instagram, you share Instagram posts. I've made video about this platform, how you can use the platform and be performing this simple task and be making this monies you are seeing here. As you can see, this monies you are seeing here, this is how it's going to be done. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you an example how you can perform a task and how the task is going to be verified and how you can earn money from the task. But right now, let me explain to you how the platform look like. Now when you click on the three dots again, you're also going to see referral list here. When you click on referral list, this is where you're going to get your referral link, which you can also copy. As you can see, you copy your referral link, and when you invite people, you are also going to be earning some commission for your referrals. Now as you can see, your social media link, you have to link your social media account, your transaction, your bank account, everything. This is where you are going to see everything. Now to register on this platform, I will also leave down the link to this platform in the description of this video, or you check my Telegram channel and I'm going to leave down the link to the platform. Now to register, let me take you guys to the platform and show you how you register. So to register, when you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So to register, all you just have to do is to put your first name, your last name, your username, your email address. As you can see, make sure you put this referral code here. This referral by Coach Nupe Flavor TV, make sure you put it so that you are going to receive some extra bonus. Now you register as an earner, not advertiser. You register as an earner. As you can see, this first one here, you click on it as an earner. Earn by performing tasks. That is where you should register on. If you register as an advertiser, that means you want to be advertising your product or you want to advertise your platform so that you pay them. But this one, we are here to make money. Now you put your password, you repeat the password, and you click on sign up. So immediately you sign up, you are going to be registered. And immediately you are registered, you are going to be taken to the interface of the platform where they will ask you to verify your account before you can be able to start performing tasks. So they are going to give you where you are going to verify your account, and to verify your account you just need nothing less than 1,000 or 2,000 naira to verify your account. After you verify your account, that is where you are going to see your dashboard where you are going to be performing simple tasks. When you are performing this task, you will be making your money. Now let me show you example of how you can perform tasks here and earn money. Now when you click on the perform task here, you click on available task. They are going to take you to where you are going to see tasks. For example, I have over 311 tasks right now that I can perform and be making money. Now, let me give you most easier task you can do here and make money for yourself. For example, this Instagram story task here, this number 13. Now, the next thing I will just to do, if I want to perform this task, I will just click on view task. When I click on view task, it's going to bring me to an interface like this. As you can see, it says Instagram share to story. So all I just have to do, as you can see, it says share this post to the link below to your story. Add the caption in the quote below to it. It is available. Now, all I just have to do is just to click on view job. When I click on view job, it will take me to my Instagram account. As you can see, this is what they ask me to do. It's just to share this to my story. Then I'll click on share to my story, add to story. Now, when I click on add to story, as you can see, this is it. This is it. This is what they ask me to do, as you guys can see it. Now, the next thing I'll do is to click on add to story. Now, when I click on add to story, I have to do a screenshot. Now, as you can see, then I'll click on share. Now, when I click on share, this is how it's going to be done. As you can see, it is done. Now, when it is done like this, I have to go back. Now, when I go back, I have to go back. When I go back, as you can see, it has been shared to my story. Now, as you can see, it's on my story already. I have to take a screenshot to prove that I've connected it. Now, let me go back to the platform. Sorry. I have to go back to the platform. Now, this is the platform. After completing everything, as you can see, it says submit task here. Now, after completing, now as you can see, say your social media username. So I have to click on it and select my social media username. This is my social media username that I use. Now, the next thing I'll do is to click on submit here. When I click on submit, they will also automatically view it by itself, themselves, and they are going to see it. Now, the task has been submitted. So you just need, as you can see, say task submitted successful. Your account will be credited once the staff approve your task within 2 days. So within 2 days, they are going to approve my task and they are going to pay me for it. Now, when you look at my available task here, it's remained 310 from 311. Now, I still have 300 and something tasks to do. So you can select even TikTok tasks or any task you wish to do. You have a lot of tasks. You just follow the method I show you right now and you add your account details and it's going to be done. Now, before you can be able to do any task or you can report a task, when you click on these 3 dots, you are going to see link social media account. Then you click on it. Make sure you link all your social media account you want to be using to perform tasks. Now, as you can see, I've linked my YouTube, my Facebook, my Instagram, my WhatsApp. So if I want to perform any task, I don't need to be adding those things again immediately, and it's all approved. As you can see, it is all approved, as you can see. So that if I want to perform tasks, any of the social media account, I just need to submit my username and it's going to be there. Then they are going to verify it automatically. So you need to verify your social media account, and to do that, you add your social media account here. You click on add social media account and you click on social media type. As you can see, you are going to see Instagram, LinkedIn, any of your social media account, or Spotify, any social media account like Telegram. You just click on Telegram. Then they are going to ask you to put your Telegram username here, and you put it and you click on submit, and they are going to verify it, approve it. So when next you want to perform social media task on the platform, you just see your username that they will check, so that if you have already performed the task, and they are going to pay you for it. So this is how you are going to use this platform. And if you have made a lot of money from the platform and you want to withdraw your money, it's also very simple. All you just have to do is just to come back to the home page here. When you come back to the home page, you are going to see withdraw here. You click on withdraw. Now, when you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you are just going to select your bank detail here. As you can see, select your bank detail. So you have to link your bank account, and after you link all your bank account, you're going to put the amount you want to withdraw. And the minimum you can withdraw is 1,000 naira, and they are going to charge you 50% of the money. Then you put your password here and you request for OTP. They are going to send it to you, and you click on. After you request for OTP, they send it for you. You are going to see where you are going to withdraw your money to your own account. So this is how this platform works, that you can be doing simple tasks online and you'll be making money for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.